Hey babes, it's Lil Portia Monique and I'm coming to you with another tutorial. And this time I'm showing you my updated highlight and contour routine. So in this video you'll just see me doing my base, aka my face. And basically I normally use some of the same products because I'm definitely a creature of habit to do my foundation concealer routine, but I tried to use a couple different things just to switch it up and show you guys some other products that I have, or some other products that I like. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So I'm taking my concealer and I'm basically using this to both conceal and to highlight. So it's a few shades lighter than my actual skin tone. I'm taking this under my eyes to make them look brighter. I'm taking this on my forehead to decrease the length of it, down my nose just to really make my nose look a little more chiseled, and then on my chin just to bring that forward. It will just make my face look overall more oval, which is the most desired face shape. Here I'm taking a concealer that's darker than my skin tone to contour, and basically what that means is that I'm going to create shadows and create depth on my face, and I'm using that on the outer perimeter, making my cheekbones really pop out, and I'm also using it on my nose just to create the shadows on my nose. Here we got a little bit of reverse contour, so I'm basically just making that contour really pop by placing the lighter concealer right under it. So I'm setting my face, and basically what this does is kind of soak up the natural oils and oils from the product so that the makeup basically doesn't move and stays in place all day. Taking my brow pencil and just lightly filling in my brows. This powder highlight is basically going to make my skin look glowy and just give me that extra bit of radiance. Creating a simple nude glossy lip. Adding blush to my cheeks to basically add in some color. I would like to know, like, if you guys have questions about highlighting and contouring, like, what is it, why is it done, what should you be getting to do it? Like, any questions that you guys have, just put them down in the comments below, and I will definitely love to chit chat with you. Let me know what are some of your favorite products that you use to highlight and contour. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.